Hello friend, I welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video guys, I'm going to show you guys best Chinese shopping app that you can use to shop products direct from manufacturer at a very cheap price from China, shipped to whatever country of your choice. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and see some of the cheap app that you guys can, some of the Chinese app that you guys can use to buy very cheap price, very cheap product, quality product from China to whatever country of your choice. So with that being said, let's get started. But before I get today's tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about China importation business, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you would like to connect with me for China importation business related issue, you can connect with me on WhatsApp via the number on the screen right here, or you check the description of this video to connect with me on WhatsApp. So with that being said, so let's get started and see some of the Chinese e-commerce platform that you guys can use to shop at a very cheap price from China and ship to whatever country of your choice. So let's get started. So the first one I would like to show you guys right here. So let me head over to my phone. The first one I would like to show you guys right here is called Idlefish or Xianyu app. So let me click on it. So Idlefish or Xianyu app. This is a Chinese e-commerce app. All right, this app right here, let me give you a brief overview about this app. This app right here offers a variety of products from household to electronics, vehicle, gadgets, etc. But one thing about this app is that 85% of sellers on this app, they are not selling a new product. So whatever you buy from this app, it's either you buy second-hand product or you buy new product. What do I mean by this is that 85% of sellers on this particular platform, on this Xianyu app, they sell second-hand product, while the rest of them sell new product. Like for instance, now if you take a look at some of the product I've been checking on this, immediately I open this app, you see this one right here is a new product, right? So this one is a new product, but by the time if you scroll up here, you see second-hand product. Like this iPhone here is not a new product, it's a second-hand product. Okay, so if I scroll up again and see some other products we have seen in the past, so you see it's not. Let me scroll down again, and the more you scroll down, the more you see product as that's for Xianyu. That's for Idlefish or Xianyu app. So it keep on loading more and more. Okay, like this phone also is not a new phone. So this app here is a very great app for you guys to ship phone from China to whatever country of your choice. So it's a second-hand phone, and one thing about this app is that it connects the buyer and the seller. Is not from the buyer to manufacturer, because 85% sellers here, they were not manufacturer, they were users, but they want to resell their product at a very cheap price. Like this tab here also is a second-hand product. Like this this grinding machine here, blender, is a new product. So if I scroll down also, I see more. Like this phone also is not a new phone, it's a second-hand phone. And this wristwatch also is a second-hand phone, second-hand wristwatch, etc. So all you have to do is to download the app and log in successful with your Alipay, and you are good to go. So this is what I have for you guys as far as Xianyu app or Idlefish app is concerned. So let's take a look at another app I have for you guys as far as best Chinese shopping app is concerned. So another one I have for you guys here is right here, is this one right here. So by the time let's see. All right, this app also offer a variety of products such as gadget, household item, and etc. But one thing about this app here is that you are buying whatever you are buying here, it can either be second hand or new also. It's just similar with Xianyu app or Idlefish app. So you keep on when you scroll down, you keep on load more products as far as this app is concerned. So you can decide to buy from any seller right here, talk to them and make payment with your Alipay. So this is what I have for you guys as far as this app is concerned. So let's take a look at another app as far as best Chinese app to shop is concerned. So another one I have for you guys right here is Taobao right here, Taobao. So let me click on that. I have made some videos about Taobao in the past. All you have to do is to check the playlist on my channel. You see a lot of video I have made in the past as far as Taobao is concerned. Taobao is also a Chinese e-commerce app that you guys can use to shop products. But one thing about Taobao is that Taobao accepts international credit card to make payment to whoever you are trying to buy from. That is so for Taobao. Another thing about Taobao is that you can use your Alipay or Alipay TourPass to pay any Chinese supplier on this particular app. So I have bought from this app several times, and they deliver a very high quality product. All you have to do is to understand how the app works. So on this app also, which is Taobao app, the products right here, they are all new products. So whatever you are buying from this app right here, it is a new product. And one more thing about Taobao app is that Taobao offer product price in two range. That is, you can see product price in RMB, which is Chinese currency, and also you can see product price in USD. This is because this particular app here is basically designed for non-Chinese speaking person, which means that if you are not a Chinese and you want to buy product from this particular app, you want to buy from China, you can easily use this particular app to buy whatever you want to buy. So you can select on any product, check review, check product quality, and go ahead to buy from anybody that suits your budget as far as this app is concerned. There is no limit to whatever you can buy on this app. There are thousands of products, latest product upload on this app every moment you are logging into the app. Look at this children wear here. It costs just 6.9 RMB. The store has sold over 2,000 pieces in the past. So they're just like what you see right here. So they have sold over 2,000 pieces. You can scroll down and see more product pictures and the like. So you can see more products. These are quality products that you can buy from China at a very cheap price. So this is what I have for you guys as far as Taobao is concerned. For Taobao, all you have to do is to make a free account using your mobile number. You are good to go. You can easily get this app from Google Chrome. You can easily get Taobao app from Google Play Store if you are using Android. But if you are using iOS or you are using Apple for iPhone, things like that, you can easily get this app from your iPhone store. So this is what I have for you guys as far as Taobao app, Chinese shopping app is concerned. So let's take a look at another one I have for you guys as far as shopping from China at a very cheap price is concerned. So right here I have with me is 1688 app. So 1688 app is a very common and a very popular Chinese shopping app that you guys can use to buy at a very wholesale price. This app here, you can connect with manufacturer direct. You can buy from manufacturer at a very wholesale price. I have bought from this platform for many times, and for so many years I've been buying from this platform right here. I have teach people on how they can buy from this platform also without using agent. So this app, they deliver a very high quality product if you understand how the app it works, so you won't have any issue. And one more thing about this app is that whatever you buy on 1688 app, it is 100% new product. So they don't sell second-hand product on 1688. So you can continue scroll down and see more products as far as 1688 app is concerned. For you to search for a product, there are two features. You can either search for product by type search or picture search on 1688 app. Then from there, you can talk to the supplier, chat them direct from factory. This box here is used for chat. This place here is used to add your product to cart, and this place here is where you visit your profile on 1688 app. This app is a very great Chinese app that allow you guys to buy product at a very wholesale price right from factory in China. Even without moving from out of your country, you can place order right from the comfort of your bedroom and place order in China, and they will ship to whatever country of your choice. So this is what I have for you guys as far as 1688 app is concerned. So the very last one I have for you guys right here is what we call Pinduoduo app. So right here with me is going to be the last one app I'm going to share with you guys as far as best shopping app China is concerned right now. So here, this Pinduoduo app right here is a very great app. I have buy on this app several times or so, and I have teach people, a lot of people, on how they can actually buy from this app without any stress. One great thing about this app is that you don't pay local shipping fee on this app. Whatever you buy from this app, they ship to your logistic warehouse address at a very free shipping. So that is, you don't pay shipping fee. Another thing, great thing about this app is that whatever you buy from this app, it is a new product and a very cheap item compared to some other platform as far as Chinese e-commerce shopping app is concerned. So for you guys to use this app, for you guys to access this app, you must have a WeChat account. This is a great thing about the app. Without WeChat account, you cannot access the app. And also, you can easily get this app from Google Play Store if you are using Android phone, or if you are using iPhone, you can get this app on your iPhone store. So all you have to do is to make sure you just type in Pinduoduo app. It's going to pump up. Then from there, you can download the app and then log in with your active WeChat. From there, you'll be able to access this app and place order at a very cheap price. You can see products here. They are very cheap and very high quality. I have buy from this app so many times. So right here, this is place where you have access to your profile right here. So you can see I have been buy from this app for a very long time now. These are the products on transit. So these are the products I just buy from this app. It's on transit and they deliver high quality. So you can see this bag here. These are the products I just bought on this app. So for you guys to see that this is a very genuine and legit app, and there are a lot of things, a lot of products that you can buy from this app as far as shopping best app to shop from China is concerned. So guys, this is the great 5 Chinese shopping app I have for you guys as far as China shopping is concerned. So if you find value for this video, give this video a big thumb up, and don't forget to hit on the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed. And if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. If you would like to reach on me on WhatsApp for importation business related issue, you can connect with me via the number in the description of this video. You can connect with me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.